Sky replacement is something which can be a pleasure for the eyes if things are done correctly. However, if things go wrong, it can be cancer for the soul. So in this video, I will teach you guys how can you change your skies in Photoshop under just 2 minutes. So let's begin. Now before we get started, all the images that you will see in this video have been downloaded from Pexels.com. Simply put, it's one of the best websites to get free stock photos and videos from creatives all around the world. I will attribute all the creators whose images have been used in this video so that you guys can download those and follow along with me. Now without further ado, let's throw in the timer. First and foremost, we will duplicate our image by hitting Ctrl J on Windows or Command J on Mac so that if anything goes wrong, we have a backup. After that, we will select the quick selection tool from the toolbox and we will do a rough job of selecting the sky. You don't have to be perfect, as we would refine the selection by pressing select and mask from the top. Select refine edge brush tool from the toolbox if already not selected and paint over your skies. It would do a wonderful job in isolating the sky. To make things easier on you can set the view mode to on black and play around with the opacity to figure out areas that have been masked. When you're happy with it, set the output to layer mask and hit OK. Now let's drag our sky to our canvas and shift it to the layer below the mask. As you can see, the sky is showing up wrong. To fix that, we would select a layer mask and invert it by pressing Ctrl I. Let's reposition the sky and decrease the opacity. Yeah, that will do. Now let's add some Gaussian blur from filter under blur. As you can see, we have successfully replaced our sky. Now let's go to the next image. Firstly, let's duplicate our image by pressing Ctrl J. Then let's convert it to a smart object by converting for smart filters under filters. Then we will go under select and find color range. Before we start this, make sure that the fuzziness is set to 0. We will use the eyedropper tool to select a specific color range. Then we will use the add to sample button and add more color range to it until our entire sky becomes black. Make sure that the invert button is checked. You will notice that as we select our color range, a few of the cars also start to disappear. But don't worry about those, as we will paint the mask at the end. Finally, increase the fuzziness so that we can feather the selection out and hit OK. Now go to the bottom right corner and select Add Layer Mask. It will create a mask for our selection. Finally, drag your sky into the canvas. We will use the Transform tool to increase the size of the sky by pressing Ctrl plus T. We will bring down the layer under our mask. Now to deal with the cars, we will select the brush tool by pressing B and we'll paint over the layer mask with white over our cars. I'm doing a rough job, but you can take your time. Finally, we will decrease the opacity and we are good to go. There you have it, sky replacement in 2 minutes. If you like this video, then don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now it's time to read some comments. In the last video, Gurpreet Singh commented, "Hindi mein banaya karo, zyada log aayenge bro." Well, considering I'm an Indian, I am having a lot of peer pressure from my friends and colleagues that I should make my videos on Hindi. But to be honest, I want my video to be accessible for someone who is not restricted by the country he is from. English being one of the most spoken language in this world. So I thought, well, English is the way to go. Evertop commented, "I want to have a collaboration with you. I am your Facebook friend. My channel is Reasons Behind." Well, Evertop, do ping me up. Let's get this collaboration done. And I will see you guys in the next video.